Welcome to the Institute of Culinary Education's New York campus. ICE New York is located in downtown Manhattan at Brookfield Place, one of the city's most impressive complexes, with vast public spaces, dining terraces, and a 5-acre outdoor plaza on the Hudson River. Our 74,000 square foot urban campus includes 6 classrooms and 10 teaching kitchens, which are outfitted with top quality equipment and designed to instruct students in the core techniques of professional cooking. ICE's roster of experienced chef instructors work with students in small class sizes, teaching fundamental techniques, guiding students as they practice hands-on cooking and baking at their stations, and giving individual feedback along the way. ICE's Culinary Arts program is designed to train students in the core and foundational techniques of professional cooking. The curriculum's courses include fundamental skills, meat, fish and poultry fabrication, soups and sauces, international cuisines including France, Italy, and Asia, pastry and baking, the art of plating and hors d'oeuvres, charcuterie, and buffets. Our plant-based culinary arts program uses the same kitchens and equipment with a plant-forward curriculum focused on ingredient selection, nutrition, seasonality, sustainability, and healthy cooking. The program also explores popular alternative diets including paleo, keto, Ayurveda, and macrobiotics. In our pastry and baking wing, students are trained in both classic and modern recipes using restaurant-quality ingredients and the same high-volume equipment you'll find in the finest professional kitchens and bakeries, including steam injection deck ovens, proofers, large-scale mixers, and more. The curriculum covers all kinds of dough, the art of bread baking, classic French pastries, plated desserts, confections, chocolate, and cake decorating. ICE also offers continuing education courses in bread baking. Designed by Chef Sim Cass of Balthazar fame, students explore the history and craft of bread baking on a global scale. From traditional European loaves to specialty breads like pita and naan, to viennoiserie and special bread showpieces, students craft recipes from around the world. In ICE's Art of Cake Decorating continuing education program, developed by award-winning Toba Garrett, students will practice crafting their own dazzling designs, from contemporary fashion cakes to intricate hand-piped masterpieces. ICE also offers one of the country's premier wine courses, intensive sommelier training, with a curriculum created by ICE's Dean of Wine Studies and Master Sommelier Scott Carney. Students taste more than 300 benchmark wines from around the world using the Court of Master Sommelier's deductive tasting method. Upon graduating, students will sit the CMS Introductory and Certified Sommelier examinations on site. ICE's management programs are designed for entrepreneurial students whose goal is to lead or develop a culinary food or hospitality business. Restaurant and culinary management teaches you how to own, operate, and manage your own restaurant or food business, covering topics from concept and menu development to cost control, marketing, and human resources. Students can earn a dual diploma by pairing restaurant and culinary management with culinary arts, plant-based culinary arts, or pastry and baking arts, and receive a tuition discount. Hospitality management explores students' passion for service and travel with career paths in hotels, resorts, country clubs, and event management. The program teaches students how to leverage their passion and launch it into a career. Lessons cover tourism, travel, guest services, food and beverage management, promotion, sales and marketing, meeting and events planning, and more. That's what our Hospitality and Hotel Management Diploma program offers, an efficient path toward your professional goals. Both business programs regularly host a roster of renowned guest speakers who are active in the hospitality industry, from food entrepreneurs to restaurant owners and operators. Students can also attend demonstrations by visiting chefs in our massive demo kitchen. Outside of class, students can congregate in the centrally located Student Lounge, providing a great opportunity to meet students in other ICE programs and classes. Or they can head to our library, which offers a large collection of cookbooks, food publications, and resources, and a quiet space for research, homework, and studying. Outside of the library is ICE's hydroponic farm, where students are encouraged to harvest herbs for their composed savory and sweet dishes. ICE New York also features a bean-to-bar chocolate lab, where chocolate intensives are held throughout the year by James Beard award-winning chef Michael Lyskonis. The Culinary Technology Lab features specialized equipment including a rotary evaporator, hearth oven, plancha, tandoor, vertical rotisserie, and sous vide tools. Many of these advanced tools are integrated into ICE's curriculum. ICE's Career Services team hosts pop-up recruiting events and career fairs to help match you with the right externship and job placement sites, and our advisors are always available to talk to you. Your admissions representative is one of the most important people in your culinary journey, and that starts today. Connect with them in person or virtually to discuss your career goals. They'll help you navigate the application and enrollment process. They'll even connect you with the financial aid department. We look forward to helping you launch the career of your dreams. Find your culinary voice at ICE. Enroll today.